Hey guys, I hope everyone out there is safe and doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I am making Arabian chai. Okay, y'all might call it chai, but we call it shahi, but you can call it chai. It's basically just spices, tea, and milk. Traditionally, evaporated milk is used. That's how I was raised, with some spices like cardamom, cloves. Any kind of spice that you like will work. But I got this at eBay. It's called an ibrik. Or you could do Arabian teapot for $11.99 on eBay. Amazon has it too for more, but eBay was cheaper. And I'm making chai right now. Okay, the traditional way. You guys, it smells so good. And this is the 24 ounce, I believe. I got the biggest one that they had. Okay, they have them in 8 ounce, 12 ounce, and I think 24 ounce. 16 ounce, 12 ounce, 16 ounce, and I got the 24 ounce just in case. And you guys, I'm loving it so far. The only thing I don't like is that you have to watch the handle. You need a screwdriver to tighten the screw, and also it gets hot. It gets very hot, so be very, very careful. I have boiled water in this, and now I'm making chai, and I noticed when I cleaned it, the metal didn't stain or get like a weird color or anything. So this is made out of good quality steel. So yeah, if you see it on eBay, I would order it so you can make your chai traditionally. This is how it's made in pots and old tea kettles on the stove. If you want that authentic Arabian chai, you need to make it on the stove. Don't boil some water, pour it in a cup, steep your tea. That's not how we do it, and you're not going to get the same taste or aroma. So you need to traditionally cook it on the stove, okay? If you can't afford one of these, use a pot, but clean it with hot water. I wouldn't use soap, because then your tea's going to smell and taste like soap. I would just use hot water. What I do to clean a pot is I'll rinse it out with water, and then I'll boil it. I'll boil some water in there, and then once the water boils, I just rinse it out and start over. But I wouldn't use soap. You can use a pot, you can use an old tea kettle. Just make sure it's clean. Okay? Use a couple of tea bags per cup. Or if you don't do that, then the tea is going to be tasting like it's diluted. Okay? And you want to throw in some cardamom, you want to throw in some cloves. Just, a tiny pinch. And only a few cardamoms. I got this from World Market for, I believe, $1.99 or $2.99. You see that? Just throw in a few in there. Be careful with the cloves, because they're very strong. I would break them in half. Okay? Use about 3. Okay? You can also use the powdered version, but be very careful. You don't want to put in too much. Traditionally, we use evaporated milk. It doesn't matter, it could be Great Value, it could be any kind. But if you want that richness and thickness, you want to use evaporated milk. If you use cow milk, it's going to be like on the light side. Okay? So you guys, this thing is great. Just watch the handle. Get a screwdriver. Tighten it up. Clean it, because these sellers don't clean the stuff. Please clean the stuff. Okay? And I highly recommend it, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you guys do make this, before I forget, you need to watch it, because anything you add milk to will overflow. So you got to keep an eye out on it. I got my monk fruit sweetener there. There's my clove. There's that. And there's your chai. Smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to enjoy this. I'll see you guys in the next one.